Okay, YouTube. It's almost time. We're watching live. 11:59. Well, it's a little early, but still. 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! There we go! Bell there! Bell there! Bell here! Bell here! We look MTA that decided it didn't want to fucking sound off. Which is also set on bell. 2024 here. Woo! And I don't want to bother taking the keys out of that panel, so I'll just grab a screwdriver from here. Get it into there. And push that back up. And now, to reset the panel. And to now put this video together. Happy 2024, everyone. System test 44 will be up either later today or tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. And now I need to do a 3,000 subscriber special where I showcase all my alarms. Yay me. I can't find the glass. Huh. Well, probably gonna step on it in a month or so.